Hey guys, for today's video is we're gonna do a makeup for men. Hindi ako expert pero let's try. First is we're gonna put a moisturizer spray and spread it to your face. And I'm gonna use this CZ primer. I love CZ Cosmetics kasi it's Japan products and super hiyang ako guys. Hindi ako nagkaka-breakout sa mga products nila. And kailangan natin maglagay ng primer talaga para mag long last yung makeup. And I'm gonna put this BB cream for men from Face Shop. This is a Korean brand and super tagal ko na itong ginagamit. And may dewear tsaka flawless effect siya after. Tsaka full coverage talaga siya. And right now I got a package from CZ Cosmetics and pinadala nila ako ng foundation nila guys. This is a CZ anti-makeup long-lasting liquid foundation, matte and poreless finish waterproof cosmetics, and from CZ din yung primer at saka setting spray ko. This is 20 grams and for only 299 pesos na. Cheaper than the other brand. So they sent me the lighter shade kasi maputi ako. It is a concealer, moisturizing, antioxidant, and long-lasting effect. Ang sabi na ibang reviews din, after 4 hours of using it, mayroon siyang slightly oily and glossy effect. So I'm pretty excited to use this one kasi magsisimba ko guys. So ito yung itsura niya. Mukha siyang mamahalin and sana matagal siyang maubos. It has a perfect natural skin effect. So I'm pretty excited to use this one. So lalagay na natin sa face natin. So pea-size lang muna yung ilalagay natin para hindi masyadong maputi. So ito yung shade niya guys. Ka-shade lang siya ng skin ko. As you can see, visible yung pimple marks ko guys. But I hope you can cover the pimple marks. Actually, hindi talaga ako marunong mag-makeup. Hindi ako marunong mag-contour or whatever. I just want to have a flawless face. Gusto ko lang yung makinis yung mukha ko sa camera at saka in person. So, I'll put this one. And for the review na din. So, ito yung effect niya sa akin guys. Full coverage talaga siya guys. As you can see. Oh. Natatakpan niya yung mga pimple marks ko. Pero kailangan pa din natin maglagay ng concealer. Ito yung concealer na ginagamit ni Heart Evangelista na trending din ngayon. Na-vlog ko na to before. So ito yung effect niya sa akin guys. Very flawless. So lagyan din natin sa leg natin para pantay. Ayan, may pimple marks din ako dyan sa leg. Dyan. So ito na yung effect sa akin guys. And then let's gonna put a Korean man lip balm. So ito yung effect sa akin. Natural lang talaga siya. And let's put the powder guys para at least flawless talaga. And this is from Sales Lady. Pero try kong gamitin yung sa CZ na powder nila. Ito na yung finish na makeup ko guys. I don't know. Basta flawless lang yung gusto ko. And then lagyan natin ng yung sa kilay ko guys para medyo makapal siya. And then sa eyebrows ko din. Para K-pop MDAL effect tayo guys. Uy, ang pogi mo. And let's put the CZ setting spray guys. Ang lagyan din natin ng gloss effect yung lips natin. Ito yung plump effect na lips guys. So ito na yung kinalabasan ng foundation ng CZ. So if you wanna order this one, just check the yellow basket below. Bye bye, see you guys next time. Mwah.